Yeah. So supply chain design starts from the consumer side.
Mm-hmm.
If it's a consumer product company, for example,
Mm-hmm.
we start from the demand side. What type of
Mm-hmm.
demands are we experiencing? How do we
Mm-hmm.
capture the demand?
Mm-hmm.
So it starts with capturing the demand trends.
Mm-hmm.
At what granularity do we capture it? At what
Mm-hmm.
frequency do we capture it?
Mm-hmm.
And how do we decipher the trends and the patterns in the demand at the most
Mm-hmm.
granular level? And
Mm-hmm.
by granularity, I would consider the product granularity in terms of product hierarchy. At what
Mm-hmm.
granularity are we capturing the demand?
Mm-hmm.
At what granularity in terms of geography? Is it at
Mm-hmm.
national
Mm-hmm.
level, state level, distributor level, retail level? At what
Mm-hmm.
granularity do we have the base data? And
Mm-hmm.
in terms of time, at what granularity do we have it? There was a
Mm-hmm.
time when this data was available only on a weekly or a monthly basis, but
Mm-hmm.
now for most companies, available daily.
Mm-hmm.
And as I
Mm-hmm.
said, for direct to consumer, it's available continuously.
Right.
So, so that's the first part in terms of
Mm-hmm.
capturing the demand and using this demand for
Right.
supply actions. How
Right.
quickly can we plan? Can we tweak the plan? Can we replan based
Mm-hmm.
on any changes or any shifts in demand patterns? And after having replanned, how
Mm-hmm.
do we execute it quickly? So three parts: capturing of demand, converting it into supply plan, and executing the supply plan. The faster we complete this cycle and the more often we do it, the better the supply chain would respond to any changes in demand. And that's essentially at the root of an effective supply chain design. There was a
Since you,
time when this
yeah,
whole process, all these three processes used to
right,
take more than 30 days,
right,
about
right,
45 days or so. And
right.
now we have come to a situation where the entire process can be
Mm-hmm.
compressed. All three actions can be done within 24 hours by most of the companies. And
Right.
in case of quick commerce and online sales,
Mm-hmm.
it can
Right,
be done in a few hours.
right, right.
So,
So yeah, so basically, I think that's the point, right? You mentioned, which is uh, we've been able to compress the lead time to,
yeah.
let's say, from demand to being at least being able to turn that to actions, right?